Hi there, Adrian Groenewald here, Me Vision Academy. This message is to the almost 2.1 million parents of grade 8 to 9 maths and science students across South Africa. It is also for the almost additional 1 million maths and science grades 10 to 12 parents. Now, if you have a child who's struggling with maths and science in any of those grades, you want to listen. We decided some time back to focus on human development AI, not human replacement AI. We know where the world is going. So we started building personal development partners through the power of AI for leaders in all domains of society. So 24/7 personal development partner, intelligent, no ego, remembers all the conversations, great pattern recognition of previous conversations, perfectly patient. We decided to use all of those strengths in building human development agents instead of human replacement agents. We've done this in several domains: public sector, schools, large businesses, your small business, and so much more. And recently, we became aware of the fact that there are almost 2.1 million grade 8 and 9 students who take science and maths, of course, and many of them decide not to continue because they give up. They don't believe that they're smart enough, or they don't have the personal help. So they take easier subjects in grades 10 to 12. We also became aware that they may confront superintelligence before they even matriculate. What kind of leaders will they have to be? What kind of young human beings would they need to be? How mature and wise and human would they need to be? So we decided to use this power of AI at that age already, prepare the youngsters for the future by using maths and science as a vehicle. These agents are programmed to help all the way from grade 8 students master maths and science. And in the process, woven in between all the conversations, bringing to the surface their human powers, their human capabilities that they will require in order to lead AI and lead the future, like agency, accountability, moral judgment, commitment, relationship, faith, hope, heart, that's purpose, love. Those are human capabilities that AI cannot and should not take over. As they master maths and science, they will also master themselves and become more human and more mature, ready for the future. And together with you as a parent and with the teachers and with their personal development partner, they can prepare in the next few years. We have generous patrons, donors, partners, sponsors, and because of that, we can give between 30 and 50 kids right now their own personal development partner. So if you have a child that's struggling with maths or science across those 5 grades, but especially grade 9, when they're about to make decisions about subjects, then it could still change. All you have to do is, as a parent, register inside our ecosystem, thinklead.app. Then you email me, adrian@mevisionacademy.com. You say, I've registered, and you explain why your child needs a maths or science agent or development partner. The first 30 will receive it automatically. The next 20, depending on funds, we think we can do it, but also the responses and the motivations that will determine the next 20. Anyone after that goes on a waiting list. And the more we generate funds, and large corporates, government, individuals, we hope mining companies will join with the schools around their mines. We hope corporates will join, and anyone else that think this can change the future of our 2.1 million, or at least hundreds of thousands of kids that are struggling with maths and science. We want to increase the maths and science students for grades 10 to 12 by helping them master it in grade 8 and 9. But most important is maths and science. And if they can pass those and even become good at it, and it becomes a natural consequence, a natural thing for them to pass that, what we should be asking questions about is, what kind of human beings are we building to lead us into the future? Maths and science should be a given that they will pass it. Some schools can pay for children to be able to acquire these personal development partners for maths and science. We also have life plan agents. The youngsters can get to know themselves intensely, know their interests, their talents and abilities, so they can make the right choices with subjects. We have an AI power agent, helping them become powerful leaders of AI, not be led by AI, to not hand over their thinking capacity and become prompters, but to actually learn to lead AI, understand it philosophically, practically, technically. So we've got lots that we're doing. If you have a child who struggles with maths and science, then please register, thinklead.app, email us, tell us why, and let's get this going as soon as possible, because we're now in the second half of the year. Thank you so much. We cannot wait to help all those magnificent children out there, because they will confront something none of us have ever confronted, maybe before they matriculate. Let's do this. Cheers. Bye.